Hi, my name is Nolan. I am 8 years old and I have a new product called Science Bubbles. Right here is a solution that looks like a smoothie milkshake or any drink, but it is not, so do not drink. They are really, really big bubbles, so they are bigger than your head. In this kit, you are going to get this solution, a wand, a special wand to help you make the bubbles, and activity sheet to show you the science of bubbles. This won't be the only thing from Science Bubbles. I have lots of more ideas to share with kids.